video, we are going to demonstrate how Pantheon can be used to find the real overclock stability and undervolt settings. So let's get started. On my left, you'll see MSI Afterburner, which shows the stable temperature and clocks along with the default settings that we currently have. And on the right, you'll see a WSO window. In order to get started, let's download the latest release. Now I'm going to run the entire test suite just to find the base settings and base metrics. Now it's going to compile the kernels and run all the kernels that are available in the Pantheon suite. As the kernel starts running, you can see that the temperature is starting to climb and the clocks are already at a higher value than it previously was. All tests have finished successfully and we don't see any errors. So the next step is going to be setting the memory and core clocks to certain values that we know are going to fail. So for this particular case, we're going to set memory to 1400 megahertz and core to 110 megahertz and apply the settings. Now we'll do the exact same thing and run the same test again and see what happens. The suite has finished executing, and as you can see, two of our test cases have actually failed, the integer virus and SFU stress. Now let's take a look at what really happened, because the error can manifest itself in multiple different ways. So if you look at the SFU stress, we can see that it ran into an illegal memory access, which is something that's expected if you're running at unstable conditions. And if you look at the integer virus, we can see that it resulted in a silent data corruption. Here we can see that the verification pass actually ran with what was the expected value and what we actually got on the actual system. And here you can see all the bit flips that actually happened, and there are multiple of them. So even though the PC did not crash, the math was no longer reliable. This is why we have to back our memory and core clocks to a more stable condition if we want to run different workloads or AI models. Therefore, don't guess your stability, actually verify it using Pantheon. Thanks for watching.